Hello, I'm consumer advocate Tom Martino. I've been flying helicopters and airplanes for nearly 50 years, and I have thousands of hours in the air. Now, I don't tell you this to brag, but I just want you to know I speak from experience. Years ago, there was a mandate that took effect in 2020. The FAA figured out that it was dangerous for planes to fly around without them knowing where the other planes were. So in addition to radar that air traffic control uses, it said that all aircraft in the US, whether you're a crop duster or an airline, had to have a beacon aboard called ADS-B, which transmits out your position and your identification number. That's right. So each and every aircraft had to be saying, here's where I am, here's who I am. So all the other planes and controllers can see them, even when they're not in radar range. You know what I find ridiculous? That drones are not required to have anything. Imagine how stupid that is. Drones fly exactly in the same airspace as aircraft, light aircraft, helicopters, and airliners as they're transitioning to and from airports. Oh, they'll tell you they're not allowed to fly in the traffic area, but who's to stop them? You don't know who they are. If they had an ADS beacon, you would know who they are, and if they didn't have one, you would shoot them down. It's that easy. Why would you ever allow unidentified drones to fly anywhere? And then to have the nerve to say, we don't know who they are, we don't know what they are. That's what we're being told by our own military and authorities. Imagine if I wanted to fly an airplane like that. Do you think terrorists are stupid? They know now they don't have to send their people away to be trained to fly an airliner. They don't have to hijack a plane. All they have to do is buy a drone on Amazon, load it with poisonous gas or explosives, and they're off to the races. Now, I'm not giving him any ideas. Don't worry about that. They've thought about it. And we should too. ADS-B. It's very simple. It's required for all aircraft. Why not drones? And by the way, shouldn't drone owners have to register them? It's common sense. I'm Tom Martino.